In this video, I'll show you a quick Shopify cache fix that forces your store to load fresh content and improves performance instantly. Let's start inside the Shopify admin dashboard. From Home, go to Online Store, then click on Themes. Next, click the three dots next to your active theme and select Preview. Open it in a new tab. This will be your testing view. Now go back to Themes, click the three dots again, and choose Edit Code. Open this in a new tab and navigate to Layout, then open the theme.liquid file. Switch back to your Preview tab where the store is open. Now open Google Chrome settings, go to Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Select the last hour and clear the data. That's it. Your browser cache is cleared, and Shopify reloads the latest version of your store. This quick fix is perfect when changes aren't visible or your site feels slow. If this helped, like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.